Hello, in that one video I will again show how my OBD2 tune box works. Here we have Mercedes GL350 Blue Tech, something like 2010, so really old. And now we're gonna tune this from 155 kilowatts to the 190. So first of all, I will switch ignition on, but do not start the motor. Then I plug this to the OBD diagnostic, and then we will observe the command screen for the messages. Okay, not easy. Okay, now it's plugged. Let's see. So it started. Script started, and now you can select from the, because it's a Blue Tech, it is one script that is possible to reset start limitation, but this is not our case. I will change the presets. This is the factory firmware. You can flash at any time, just to be, I don't know why, but this is possible. And the next script is AdBlue off. It is totally remove the AdBlue, but now we will do this one. It's power increase. And okay, select the script, and then I will just confirm with start button. I'm confirming now, and it started. It will take about 1 minute. Let's see how it goes. It moves really fast. And then that motor control unit. I think a little bit more than 1 minute, something like about 2 minutes. Well, near the end now. Now it's we have to switch ignition on, off, then observe the screen. So we have to switch ignition off for 15 seconds. Then it will ask us to switch it on again, like now. We switch the ignition on again, and successfully finished. Very good. And now we will remove the model. Now try. Okay, remove the model and keep it for here for the next. This is okay now. So let's start it once, and voila. Now in 2 minutes you have power increase by 35 kilowatts, about 25%. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Goodbye.